have a death in the highlighter family. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasilikis and in this video I will show you what's in my everyday makeup drawer, and the products that I will show you, I will use them for the next 2 weeks, and after that I will do a get ready with me and I will give you my updates for all the products and if they are working for me. I want to rotate my makeup because I realized that I was using all the time the same makeup products. I have seen some other YouTubers that they do this type of videos and I will link their videos down below. Share this video with a friend that likes this type of videos. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell to get notified for my latest videos. And without further ado, let's get started with my drawer. Let's start with the primers, and I'm going to use these 3 primers by Essence. These are their new primers and I have the glow boosting, redness correcting and mattifying. I will do separate reviews for all of these and also a wear test. In case that I don't like any of these, I will use also the Catrice Prime and Fine, and I am just hoping that some of these will work for me. I have chosen some foundations and the first one is the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. I will also mix it with the Makeup Transformer drops by Catrice Cosmetics in darkening because this one is lighter in color for me and it doesn't work for me. It looks very ashy. I have separate reviews for all the foundations that I will show you, and I will have a card here so you can see all the reviews that I have done. The next foundation that I want to use is the Dream Satin Liquid by Maybelline. I have used half of it. I hope that I can get it empty. And the next foundation that I'm going to use is the Hello Happy foundation by Benefit. I want to start using this one again now that the weather is not as warm as before. I also want to see how all of the foundations will work with the primers. For concealers, I have the Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline in shade 10, and I have it because it always works for me and in case that the other two will not work for me. The next concealer is the Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. This one doesn't work with all of the foundations that I have and with all the powders that I apply on top of it, and sometimes it looks very dry. For this concealer, the color started separating and changing a little bit, so I will test it first on my hand or on my neck, and after that I will use it on my eyes. And this is the Superstay 24-Hour Concealer by Maybelline. For powders, I have an all-time favorite, the Fixing Powder by Art Deco Cosmetics, and also a powder that I got from Glossybox a few months ago and I used it only once because I didn't like it, and this is the Banana Setting Powder by Bella Pierre. For contouring, I have the Contouring Palette by Wet n Wild, and this is in the color Dulce de Leche, and I also have the Catrice Sun Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. In this one I have Hit Pan! Look! I don't hit pan that often on my products. I have one more bronzer. This is the Safari Bronzer by the company Model Launcher, and I got this from one of my glossy boxes and I have never used it. For blushes, I have 2 new blushes by Catrice Cosmetics, and these are the blush boxes, and I have the color Golden Coral and Glistening Pink. We have a death in the highlighter family, and I was going to use for the next 2 weeks these 2 highlighters, but this one broke into pieces. I need to repress it. I have no idea how and what I need. I replaced it in my drawer with this one by Essence. This is the Glow Baked Metallic Highlighter in the color Like You're Doing What You Love. I will also use the highlighting powder by Wet n Wild in the color Precious Petals. For my everyday makeup, most of the times I use lip glosses, and I have chosen these by Marc Jacobs, and these are the High Shine glosses in the colors Some Girls and Love Buzz. Some other lipsticks that I'm going to use is this lipstick set by Revolution Pro, and this is the lipstick collection in the color Pinks. So I want to use them with different makeup looks and see the formula, and I will also do a swatches and a review video with a wear test to see if they are long lasting. For mascara, I will use the Superhero Mascara by IT Cosmetics, and this is almost empty. I will also use the Falsies Express Mascara by Maybelline and the Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara by Essence. For For eyeliners, I have 3 eyeliners, and one of it is the regular, you know, and this is the liquid liner by Catrice Cosmetics in matte in the color Dating Joe Black, which is a black matte eyeliner. I also have these 2 by Essence. These are the Metal Art lip and eyeliners, and I have them in the color Copyright and Pink Glam. I have them for a while. You have also requested some videos using them, and I never use them. I don't like metallic eyeliners on my eyes. I want to try them as a base for eyeshadows or maybe something creative. I also have a double-ended eye pencil that I use all the time, and it is in nude and black. I don't usually use eye pencils because my eyes are very watery and the pencil goes everywhere. For my brows, I will use the Lash Brow Designer by Catrice Cosmetics. This is a clear brow gel. As you can see, I am using it a lot and it is getting dirtier and dirtier and dirtier. I don't have another brow gel mascara that I like. If you have any recommendations, let me know in the comments below. And for eye pencils, I have these 3, and I have the Brow Waves by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and also the Art Deco Brow Duo Powder and Liner. I also have the Eyebrow Designer in Blonde by Essence. This is a little bit lighter in color. Time for the eyeshadows. One of the eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to use is the Flamingo Eyeshadow Palette by Violet Voss, and I had this one when I went to Cyprus last month. I was using only this palette for 2 weeks and I was able to make a lot of makeup looks for every day with a little bit of color. The next palette is this little cutie pie by Essence. This is a Follow Your Heart eyeshadow palette. I have already done 2 looks with this palette and a review and some swatches. If you want to see the review for this one, I will have it in the card here. And I will also use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in Comfort Zone that I have recently reviewed, and you have asked me for some makeup looks, so this is getting in the drawer. For glitter eyeshadows, I will use these new by Essence. These are the Melted Chrome eyeshadows, and for today's makeup look I have used Ironic and Copper Me. Wish me luck, guys. This is the first time that I am doing a project like this, and I hope that in 2 weeks I will give you valuable reviews. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you want to see a specific makeup look with these products. If you want to learn more about makeup and also see some more videos from me, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!